Hey, welcome to the first part of this April 2024 vlog. April was a month filled with good moments where I could enjoy some fun with the persons I love, or sometimes enjoy some peace with myself, but mostly make beautiful memories. I hope that you will love this new vlog. Enjoy!
Ok, ce n'est que maintenant que je peux faire le point parce que ce matin c'était tellement rush. Donc hier, Quincy est venu rester et on a fait le plan super à la va-vite de venir regarder un film. On s'est réveillé super tôt, on a pris le métro à la dernière minute et on est arrivé, sauf que maintenant on doit attendre Quincy aller chercher les trucs à Rounaise, etc. And we're going to watch Kung Fu Panda parce que c'est le seul film available ce matin.
Honestly, if you ask me how the first days of April went for me, I couldn't really explain or tell you really how it was because it was such a mess, but a beautiful mess where everything was fun, everything was random. The birthday seasons were coming, we were already feeling very joyous, so we were really in the mood to go out, have some fun, and just celebrating in general.
Aujourd'hui, quick run pendant la journée. Je dois aller finaliser le cadeau de Thomas, etc. Ensuite, je vais rester chez ma soeur pour l'éveiller pendant qu'ils ont un mariage. Donc, I have a little marraine / tom-tom date. Et je vais essayer de faire un petit truc spécial pour lui. And yeah, I'm excited for tonight. That's the fit. Little shirt, very cute. Accessories. I just washed my hair. Je suis paumée de ouf, mais c'est ok. Je suis en train de chercher les bougies pour mettre sur le petit donut de Thomas et... Quoi? Sont cassés où il n'y a même pas de toit. Quoi, merde. J'ai pris ça. Patiently waiting for my sis. Hello. Bah non, tu sais pourquoi ça? Happy birthday to you. Bonjour avec moi là, t'as besoin rouge? Hi guys! On va choisir les macaronis parce que monsieur veut manger macaroni fromage ketchup ce soir.
Thomas turning 3 already this year is totally crazy to me because I still remember me changing his diapers and really staying the night with him when he was just a newborn, and it feels like yesterday, and now he's already 3 and talking. I remember wondering how he would talk, how he would sound, what would be his voice. I was wondering so many things about him, and now he's everything. And it's really crazy, it's really scary, of course, to see him grow so fast, but I'm just so happy that I get to be his marraine.
Hi, aujourd'hui je vais aller à Trileka pour une classe de salsa. I know. And yeah, this is little makeup fit. Je crois que c'est la première fois que vous me voyez avec un petit pantalon qui n'est pas mon jean. So yeah, j'y vais avec Kelly et ma soeur. And je suis pas du tout in for that, mais on verra. Ça, on fait avec Kelly et là, pour la classe de salsa.
Oh baby, look at you. Love how you sway like you got nothing to.
As I said, April was such a chaotic month. Well, the first part of it for sure. I don't know how, but I got myself into salsa class with Kelly and my sister. Dancing, especially in public with this whole crowd, is so not my cup of tea, but I got into the plan. I was not in my element at all, and I was really dreading it because I have so much anxiety and I'm so shy because I don't dance well, really. But somehow it was such a good night to be with Kelly and my sister, and we also got some other friends. It's not my usual go-to plan. I don't know if I would do it again. I'm not very sure, but it was definitely a night to remember. At least I'm very happy that I gave it a try and I had so much fun. And yeah.
Like a diamond, nobody can beat you. Where you wanna be, You go leaving them broken hearted. Eat them up like you've been starving. What? You can't get enough. Baby, look at you.
Personne n'est pas lassé du struggle quand on va chercher. Je vois quand on va sortir, on sait pas où. Mais bon, c'est pas grave.
And you know it's true. Baby, look at you. They say that you.
Donc en vrai aujourd'hui, plan totally random, je devais aller passer une journée seule pendant que Andy sortait avec ses amis. And I bumped into Sonia et elle m'a proposé de m'emmener chez elle. She got a new place, on va passer la journée ensemble, etc. Matcha, c'est cute.
As I look back to this day, watching these memories again, and I think it was such a precious day because I got to be by myself again. Of course I was with Sonia, but I was just enjoying my time, really enjoying the present moment, not being on my phone, not really worrying about anything. And I was going through some stressful days because of university and life in general. I was really anxious, and getting to be with myself, it was such a special day. I think that being so away, I just needed this moment to be by myself, enjoy the sun, enjoy the sea, and really enjoy my presence again, not really feeling the need of anyone else. It made me feel so much happiness, probably one of the best days.
Clear water flowing by the waterfall. Way back on the other side of school in the fall, and I knew
C'est rafraîchissant tellement.
something was with you, my friend.
Donc petit recap, on a fini notre journée à la mer et là je dois me dépêcher pour retourner à Rosil parce que je suis supposée retourner chez moi à 5h. Still in beach attire, mais life is life.
We would walk and laugh alone.
Rien ne hit pareil que des frites après la plage.
In the creek. I said if the trees could talk.
Hi, je suis retournée de very random beach day aujourd'hui. Je me suis reposée un peu, j'ai dîné, etc. And I'm dead tired, mais it's been probably one of the best days of my life. One of the best days. Parce que c'était tellement paisible, tellement random and carefree. It felt really nice. Il faut que je parte dormir tôt aujourd'hui. Là, il est minuit. Et il faut que je parte dormir tôt parce que demain, c'est petit anniversaire pour Thomas, etc. Little tea time chez ma soeur. So, yeah. Hi! Aujourd'hui, on est dimanche. Et Kara et moi, we are having a little girls' date. Je dois aller à l'anniversaire de Thomas avant, ensuite on retourne parce qu'Anne ne sera pas là. On va enjoy notre petite soirée. Et yeah, this is the fit. Yeah.
I think that what I really loved about April was really being surrounded by everyone I love. Unlike any other months, I think that April is just this excuse for all my people to gather and celebrate each other, because it's really the birthday season of my boyfriend, Thomas, my sister, and myself. So it's really just back to back being with one another, celebrating each other, and it just really brought this festivity as well as gathering with our closest ones to celebrate each other. That I think just is the highlight of my April month. And I think that's what I loved as well, in contrast to being by myself. It's definitely having this balance of being with everyone I love.
Ce soir, Anne n'est pas là, donc on est en train d'avoir un petit girls night avec Kay. On va regarder un petit film, have a little matcha, and yeah, just enjoy the night as girls.
The first bits and bobs of April were definitely all scattered around like a mess. But April is so special to me because it's not just my birthday season, it's also the birthday month of some other people that I love the most in the world, and it's really special to celebrate them and also have them celebrate me. It's just this general festive month where there's so much love and so much thought and care into this. So being back on YouTube with this vlog is really special.
Aujourd'hui, je vais passer la journée avec ma sœur. Je pense qu'on ira clubber, voir la famille un peu, et puis on sait pas, freestyle. Wherever you want, really.
Took one step out the door, wish I'd taken before. It was Sophie. I hope that you loved the first part of this April vlog. The second part is coming very soon. Let me know in the comments what is your birthday month, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this vlog. Thank you for being here. I will see you very soon. Take care and